Hi amigas, let me teach you how to make the perfect red rice, arroz Mexicano. So we're going to start off with a hot pan and we're going to add our oil. We're going to let that oil get nice and hot as well and add 2 cups of long grain rice. That's what I'm using. You could use whatever rice works for you. This is what I have a preference for. I don't wash my rice. I find that it gets really sticky and I don't like the texture when it's washed. This rice does say ready to cook, so I don't know if that's the difference. Now we're going to add a packet of the garlic and onion Goya seasoning and a packet of the orange Goya seasoning. This seasoning is going to add a lot more flavor, but it's also going to add a lot of color. And you're going to toast that up. I do powdered seasonings over fresh because of Fabian. So we're going to add 1.5 tablespoons of the chicken tomato bouillon and a little bit of the Lawry's garlic and parsley salt. Fabian is 12 and he's autistic and he doesn't like textures in his food. If it's rice, it just has to look like rice. So I can't add onions or fresh garlic or any type of ingredient because he won't eat it. All right, now this is my secret ingredient, Campbell's tomato soup concentrate. We're gonna add about 5 to 6 tablespoons of this, just big old spoonfuls of it, and we're going to toast it up with the rice. This is going to make your rice super creamy, super moist. It's not going to dry out, and it's going to give it such an intense and delicious flavor. This is also going to replace any other tomato item you would have added, fresh tomatoes or canned or sauce or whatever you would have added. This is going to taste it. Now we're getting a little bit of water and we're going to start dissolving all those flavors into a little bit of the water, and we're going to slowly add in our water. Adding your water slowly is going to keep your rice hot and you're not going to stop the cooking process. And this is going to ensure that your rice is super fluffy. You're not spiking and dropping temperatures. All right, you guys, in Mexico, your mom would always be like, ay, ¿quieres tener novio, cabrona? Pero no sabes lavarte los calzones ni hacer arroz. Well, now I can teach you how to make rice. I can't teach you how to wash your underwear. Also, you guys, my stove is on a medium-low heat right now, and you're going to taste it. Make sure it's good on sodium. Once it's rolling bubbles all the way around like that, you're covering it. You do not uncover it for 12 to 15 minutes on the lowest heat. Now I'm going to turn off my heat. And I'm going to take the cover off, uncover it, and I'm going to tilt my pan. If I see any moisture coming to the edges, my rice just needs a little bit longer, and just cover it up and let it sit there for a little bit longer. My rice was perfect, so now it's ready to serve, and you can accompany it with your favorite other dishes. I accompanied mine with bistec y papa guisado. It was so good. Let me know in the comments if you want me to show you guys how to make that. But guess what, you guys? Yes, se pueden casar. Or at least get a man's, okay? Because you know how to make rice now. You're welcome. Bye. Let me know in the comments if you like this. Bye.